Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from Group 3 and let me introduce our team. My name is Putri Diwani Aulia.
My name is Vivi Aidayaya.
My name is Angelina Lubrianti.
My name is Siti Lailatul Musyarofa.
Okay, everyone. In academic process at schools, students engage in learning that encourage them to acquire skills as knowledge through study. However, sometimes there are obstacles where students get bored and lazy to doing homework, so they procrastinate on their study or assignment. Of course, this is a problem. So this problem is known as procrastination. So what is procrastination now? In Still 2006, explained that procrastination actually comes from Latin namely pro, which means forward, ahead, prefer, and crastinus. So which mean is tomorrow in Carta Dinata and Sia 2008. So procrastination is a habit of people who like doing something tomorrow because they prefer to enjoy their free time. Academic procrastination is caused by irrational beliefs held by students, which may be due to misperceptions of school assignment in Ramadan and Winata 2016. Furthermore, a study by Van Erde in 2003, procrastination can be categorized as avoidance behavior and is considered an attempt to avoid accomplishing desired action in Carta Dinata and SIA 2006. Thus, it is possible to conclude that procrastination is the inability to accomplish a desired or required task due to deliberate delay, even though there is awareness of the negative consequences. If these issues are not resolved, it will have an impact upon students' learning process in the future. Therefore, the role of school counselor in resolving this problem is very important. In academics, school counselor has very functional and have a crucial role in helping students deal with their problems. So this problem can be personal, academic, career-related, or social. And school counselor provided students to guidance them. In this case, learning problems such as procrastination require the school counselor role to identify the problems faced by students at school, especially in learning. The role of school counselor is very important in solving the problems faced by students, particularly in developing student learning motivation so that students may achieve their desired goals. In this case, learning problems such as procrastination require the school counselor role to identify the problems faced by students at school, especially in learning. The role of school counselor is very important in solving the problems faced by students, particularly in developing student learning motivation so that students may achieve their desired goals. So, if learning problems like procrastination are not solved as soon as possible by school counselor, it will be difficult for students to learn and do their assignment on time. And this will affect their academic progress at schools. Therefore, to be successful learning, students need to have strong self-motivation and learning skills. In addition, students also need help and guidance from school counselor.
Okay, in this part, I will explain the supporting data related to academic procrastination. The data are taken from two research journals that show level of academic procrastination among students and the role of counseling reducing this problem. The first journal was written by Ica Warnisa and Rosita in 2024. This research was conducted at Senior High School One Batu Jajar during COVID-19 pandemic and involved 107 students. The findings show that academic procrastination is serious issue among high school students. As show the chart, 40 to 9% of students where is moderate level, 30 to 4% where is high level, and 17% where is low level. This means that a total 80 to 30% of students experience moderate to high academic procrastination. The study also identified several causes of academic procrastination as include pure time management, direction for gadget, heavy academic workload, low learning motivation, and a lack of regular student routines. Before the research include that academic procrastination is not a more problems, but a serious academic issue that require a professional counseling support at school. Next, the second journal was written by Udayana, Sri Lestari, and Dwi Arwati 2025. This study focused on the effectiveness of behavioral counseling using self-management technique to reduce academic procrastination. Before the counseling intervention, the pre-test results show very high level academic procrastination with scores above 90. However, after student archive counseling, the post-test scores decreased significantly. The around 50 to 5 to 60 to 5. Overall, the result show that academic procrastination was reduced by 30 to 30% after the counseling program. Nah, in addition, students show improvement in important academic skills such as time management, task completion, and learning responsibility. This finding early insight that school counselor play an important role in helping students develop more consistent and positive study habits. In conclusion, that's two journals support idea that academic procrastination is common problem among students and counseling intervention are essentially in helping students overcome this issue.
In this slide, I would like to explain the background and key findings of the journal used as the main reference for these presentations. The study was conducted by Lukmawati in 2022 and published in the journal Bimbingan dan Counseling. This research focused on academic procrastination among secondary school students and examined how counseling intervention can help reduce this behavior. The findings of this study reveal that academic procrastination and is a common problem experienced by students and is closely related to negative self-belief, fear of failure, and low self-regulations. Many students delay completing academic tests not because they lack ability but because they feel overwhelmed and doubt their own competence. What is important to highlight is that this study emphasizes the role of school counselor in addressing academic procrastination. Through structured counseling intervention, particularly cognitive behavioral counselings, students are guided to understand their thinking patterns and gradually change their procrastination behavior. These findings provide a strong foundation for discussing why school counselors play a crucial role in helping students overcome academic procrastination, which directly relates to the main title of these presentations.
Okay, next is the analysis or elaboration of the topic, the role of school counselor in addressing academic procrastination. The first is understanding academic procrastination. Academic procrastination is the repeated act of postponing tasks, not simply laziness, characterized by late completion and submission of assignment. This behavior is generally triggered by poor time management, low intrinsic motivation, and high academic pressure. Its impact not only decrease academic achievement but also increase stress and disrupt student mental health. A study of 107 students saw that 83 had moderate to high level of procrastination, confirming that the problem is widespread and systemic. These findings suggest that academic procrastination needs to be addressed through a professional approach, rather than simply reprimanding and forcing students to complete assignment. The next one is the role of school counselor. In this context, school counselor play a strategic role. As with appropriate intervention and counseling approaches, procrastination can persistently impact student academic achievement and mental health. Counselor can conduct assessment to identify the root cause of procrastination, provide individual counseling using a behavioral approach to foster good study habits and modify visible behaviors, and organize group guidance or classroom service to improve student self-management and learning skills. Furthermore, collaboration with teacher and parents is crucial to creating a consistent learning environment and external support to ensure a sustainable change in student behavior. The last one is behavioral counseling with self-management technique. Research in the journal Behavioral Counseling with Self-Management Technique to Minimize Academic Procrastination in Junior High School Students show that behavioral counseling with self-management technique is effective in reducing procrastination, which confirm that procrastination is more related to weak self-management skills such as time management, emotional control, and behavioral goal setting than low intellectual ability. Therefore, the role of school counselor is key in helping students develop self-control and adaptive learning strategies.
To conclude this presentation, academic procrastination is not a simply matter of laziness, but a serious academic problem influenced by irrational belief, weak self-regulation, and learning pressure experienced by students. Based on the research findings discussed earlier, the majority of students fall into moderate to high levels of academic procrastinations, which can negatively affect academic achievement and psychological well-being. This condition clearly shows the importance of the school counselor's role. School counselors are responsible for identifying the root causes of students' learning problems and providing appropriate guidance and counseling service. Through counseling interventions such as cognitive behavioral counseling and behavioral counseling with self-management techniques, students are guided to change negative thinking patterns and develop healthier study habits. The study review demonstrates that these counseling approaches are effective in reducing academic procrastination and improving student responsibility, motivations, and task completions. Therefore, guidance and counseling service should not only focus on problem solving but also function as preventive and developmental effort to support students' academic success. In conclusion, school counselors play a vital role in addressing academic procrastination and helping students achieve better learning outcomes. Thank you.